Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about ABS formula. So first of all, let me discuss with you that what is the benefit of this formula. Like here you can see our data. Here is the target and get of target. Like 180 is the target and 150 is the point which we get, and 30% is the error. So here is 180, 145, 180, 169, and here is 180, and he get 200. Okay, and here we get the difference of the target and the get, and like here is 30, 35, 11, and here is 20, which is showing minus 20, which is wrong. And when we take his average, it will be showing his average 14. Okay, we have to make it positive, and if I want to make it positive, for this we will use the formula of is equal to ABS. Okay, this minus this BS, this minus this. Okay, and I will drag it out. So here it is showing the answer in positive, and the average which I already taken, that is showing 24%. So this is the way by which we can use the formula of ABS. And one more thing, that is you need to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my-etutorial. So this is all for this tutorial. Inshallah, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time.